Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be telling you about Vim. So, what is Vim? Well, Vim is a text editor, and let me show you what it is. This right here is Vim, and as you can see, it's in a terminal. Now, if I just move my mouse, you can see it has a weird effect and doesn't really seem to do anything. And you'd be right. The mouse does not do anything in this editor, as it is a fully keyboard-based editor. Now, what does this mean? Well, to navigate, you have to use different keys, and there are different modes for when you want to insert stuff or move around and all that sort of thing. So if I press I to go to insert mode, I can put a bunch of text down. Now if I press exit, then I can go back into normal mode, which is where I move. I can press K to go up, J to go down, H to go left, and L to go right. This is how I'll move around. There are many different commands, like for example GG to go to the top, $sign to go to the end of a line, 0 to go to after a line, but essentially everything is done with the keyboard. Now, if I want to insert something right over here, I can press A, which starts inserting after the cursor, so it goes here. Now, if I use I, it would insert here, and that's not what we want. So I can go to A and start say something. Now, there's many different modes other than just normal and insert. There's also replace, which is Shift R, which I can use, which once I start typing, it simply just replaces the letters. Now if I press exit again, I can look at another mode, visual mode, which is where I can select text. Now, here I can delete all this text if I don't want it. Now I can save this into some file name. So I'd write W for write, and then the file name, which we'll call foo.txt. Now if I want to exit this, I can click Q. Now here is the terminal screen, and again, all we have to do to get back into it is press Vim. But now I want to reopen my files, so either I can go in foo.txt, which will bring it up here, or just when I'm entering Vim, I can write foo.txt. Now, let's say I want to create another file. Then I can do new foo1.txt, and it'll open in the buffer. Then I can know bn and bp to move around. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of visual elements in this Vim, but if you just get Vim stock, it won't look like this. All of this has been done using the .vimrc file in your system. I can use this to configure what different keystrokes will do, add macros, and add plugins that will change the look of it. So, let's conclude what we've learned. Vim is a text editor that only uses the keyboard, and there are many different commands, and it's operated from the terminal. Now, there's also a .vimrc that you can use to configure it. That'll be all for this time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy if you loved it, thumbs up if you liked it, and see you next time. Bye.